partners in worship along with Allah, and we were merely their descendants after them. Will you then destroy us because of the deeds of men who practice battle, polytheism, and committing crimes and sins, invoking and worshipping others besides Allah? Thus do we explain the ayah proofs, evidences, verses, lessons, signs, revelations, etc., in detail so that they may turn unto the truth. Ch 7 172到174 Quran. Adam's progeny declared, Our Lord, we bear witness that you are our Lord. We have no other Lord but Allah. Allah raised their father Adam, and he looked at them and saw those of them who were rich and those who were poor, and those who had good forms and those who did not. Adam said, O Allah, I wish you to make your servants equal. Allah replied, I love being thanked. Adam saw among the prophets like lamps among his progeny. The Prophet's Covenant. Almighty Allah declared, Remember when we took from the prophets their covenant, and from you, O Muhammad, and from Noah, Abraham, Moses, and Jesus son of Mary.